This is incredible. Yeah, best road trip ever. Woo, go Fasters! This place is amazing. Yeah, look at that peak. Let's keep going. Woo, this is the best. This place is incredible, right? So glad we came. This tree is amazing. We should take a photo. Great idea. The foundation needs to align with these markers. Got it. I'll check the level. We'll dig the trench now. All right, team, let's get this build started. You got it. The ground looks perfect. Great. Let's keep the momentum going. This section is almost done. Looks good. Keep it steady. Path is extending well. Yeah, almost at the tree. It's really coming together. Yeah, it's solid. This is perfect. Just a bit more trimming. Almost done. All right, let's get these to the site. Copy that. Steady now. Path's clear. Watch your step. Got it. Good pace. The framing is solid. Good. We'll start on the deck. Planks are ready. Looks great. Let's check it. Let's move this chair to the left. Good idea. By the stairs. I'll give you a hand. Perfect. That opens up the space. Great job, team. The structure is solid. Lights are on up here. Pathway is clear. All set down here. Looks amazing. Perfect. Come on up. This is really coming together. It is. The view is incredible. We just need to finish the supports. All right, let's slide this over. Yeah, it will look better by the window. These tables are set. Perfect. Smells amazing. Can't wait. Almost done. Just flipping these. Looks great. I'm ready. Me too. This view is incredible, isn't it? Yeah, it's like something out of a dream. We should do this more often. To good times with great friends. Cheers to that, man. This view is incredible, right? So peaceful. Couldn't agree more. To this incredible spot. To good friends. Cheers to that.